are from Villamari Degree College. So today we are celebrating. Really, we are giving send-off for the final years. It is tradition. Every year we do that. Freshers, we give freshers invitation, and final years we give farewell. So for this farewell, we are really feel very sorry they are leaving from the college. This batch is really pandemic batch. We think that we didn't train them completely because 1.5 years they were in online teaching. Only 1.5 years they have attended for the classes, and this 1.5 years also lot of pressure for the staff and the students also. Why? Because the timings and short period they have given for every semester. So back to back we have to bounce on them. They cooperated and they did their best. And most of the students are placed in different companies. They are well placed, and most of them have done their internship, paid internships also. We are very glad for this batch, but we only little sorry that we didn't do complete training for this batch. But even then, they did very well, and they performed in their all events and placements, academics, everywhere. And they are well disciplined, and they are leaving. That is one thing. But again, this is common every year. So we feel sorry, and we tell them all the best for their future.
Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Revati Devi Mathur, the principal of Villamari Degree College, founded by Dr. Philomena, the founder, director, correspondent. Today we have organized a farewell party to all the final year students, bidding them adieu, hoping to see them again, but in the entire world. We believe in holistic development of the children, and we also believe in the 360-degree approach of giving them all that they desire for in these 3 years that they are with us. It's full of love, affection, gratitude that we have to say a goodbye to all of them. But one thing I have to mention here, that Villamari stands out in the world because as I see our alumni, I'm very proud that our alumni is placed across the world. Our students come as very talented students, but a little bit of talent needs to be tapped among the students, for which Villa is always there for them. Our doors are always open for the metamorphosis that takes place, the transformation that a student takes coming from as an intermediate student and graduating in 3 years. The metamorphosis is a transformation of the entire personality. We offered certificate courses. We groom them in their personality to stand on their feet as self-confident, independent and professional women of the community at large. It's not important that they only graduate, because apart from graduation, I personally as a principal believe that the social values that need to be ingrained in an Indian citizen needs to be ingrained by institutions. And Villamari is very strong in this, that they wish to give this inculcation among the students, that they need to give back to the society which has given so much to them. So the institutional social responsibility also goes a long way in grooming the students for a better future. Today, as we bid adieu to our students of the batch 2022-23, I bid adieu to all of them, wishing them good luck, happiness, prosperity, good health, and a long, big success. Thank you to all of you.